So today I'm going to tell you that how FranklinCovey Pakistan and Iris Communications have collaborated together to bring a very unique experience for the leadership of organizations. And this experience is for the organization's leadership to know their customers better. When you know your customers, when you know their needs, that's when you are able to bring innovations to them, which is helping your customers do their job well. Now, this is a combination of a very well researched content which is given in Franklin Covey's very researched course outline by the name of Find Out Why. This Find Out Why course has the content which is based on Clayton Christensen's very important work on consumer journeys, and this work is in this book, Competing Against Luck. I hope you must have seen this book or read this book. और सारी कहानी ये है कि कस्टमर्स और कंज्यूमर के पास चॉइसेस होती हैं और why would they choose us if we are providing them something which is helping them do their job well. That's when they will choose us, they will pull us in their lives. So इस वर्कशॉप के अंदर, इस कोर्स सेशन के अंदर हम टॉप लीडरशिप्स को वो कंटेंट, वो फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड्स बताते हैं. हम उसके अंदर वी आर शेयरिंग देम with them the tool set, the skill set to be able to observe your consumers, know your consumers, and to find out the real deep needs of your consumers. So we are able to bring products and services which are fulfilling the needs of our consumers. ये करने के लिए जो एक और हम यूनिक चीज़ करते हैं is that besides giving you the tools, the skill sets, the content, we make you experience the interaction with the consumers, with your real consumers. You will get to talk to them, you will get to find out what is happening in their lives, why are they feeling the way they are feeling, and it is an excellent course for leadership, for top management to be able to interact with your consumers and find out what is going on in their
observe or understand from the environment, you tend to find a lot of different opportunity areas, and you also tend to understand those kind of underlying gaps that can be worked upon. So we have done this on a regular basis for all the clients. So